no, ahí no. Look.
We'll do the same yard tomorrow.
You gotta come in the afternoon and clean it.
Bring your rake.
Bring your rake.
That leaves the red shredded papers all over.
Oh yeah.
I think my
yard guy he could be too happy when he comes through today.
Take the paper, otherwise that's what shreds all that red paper. Take it out of the wrap and then do it.
Mr. Cardina says to pick all that up.
Oh well. He's something for Enrique to do tomorrow. He really volunteered him.
He said, hell no. Is that star thing?
Kids that live next door to us.
Yeah.
They had a big old pack like that, right there. They let them off.
Put it right here.
They did around like. We just shut them down, lit a whole pack like that. They hard to spin their black paper. There's that pack of fireworks.
One of those boys had let off a whole fucking string of fireworks that they were putting here. I don't know which one did it, but they let it off out there.
Frankie did last week. You had one that was a little long.
This is Friday or Saturday.
Sit down when the skyrocket is
Oh, I know.
I think it's got a
He has some more of them, though.
big one, huh?
That one was scary.
That one, the big one. How many more of those do you have left?
Last one.
Oh, okay.
What is it left?
Hold on.
That's how you... What? He's pushing me to get that supervisor job at night. The head supervisor.
You know, they have their own yellow hat. They do the 932.
No, whatever. He's going to show me tomorrow which
It's
He's
too dark. You can't see him.
Black skin.
Your teeth?
Can you?
No.
Too much coffee. Café Tacuba. Look.
I know.
Couldn't do that once.
You hear that? Did you hear that mosquito?
Oh, it is, for real?
Like,
Hey, look. Give me the touch right there. Right there. How she hurt it. Like, you know, like a bruise. You touch it, it hurts like that. Serious.
do that one last.
She probably got fucking rabies or something.
This one.
That's funny?
Like that one. Are they both the same or they're different?
Different.
Just
Like
shoot
that
it.
one. They're both 61 shots, ain't they? Yeah.
This is 21.
Huh?
This is 21, this is 61.
That bit up in my ass.
What got me? Should I get bit?
No, I don't think so. Thanks, shot. There's a mosquito in there with her though. 61 shots.
Hold on.
We just need a little bit more left.
Watch, these big ones are gonna go up. You stay up here and watch.
Shoot up, man.
Stand over there and watch. Now we're in this balcony.
Hello. On the tunnel.
The other place, there were more. There was 25 with the floor, and then one was
had the price check. Ready?
Yep.
Ready. Ready.
Put a play on that.
Yeah, ready. Happy.
Put a play on that, baby.
I'm gonna take this.
Get a press there. Yeah.
It's been
Oh,
playing.
it's pop.
Happy.
Stick to this one, Les.
Let's get this one.
Watch, Maida.
What's my
You have to go up in the air, Les.
Awesome. Wow.
Have you done another one?
Yeah.
Did the other one?
Is the other one more exciting?
I know.
Yay, that's fun.
Another one.
This is going on YouTube.
Do the other one.
For people that have never seen fireworks before.
They got them in every country.
You know, some parents won't let their kids touch fireworks.
Put a panel of this war in Afghanistan.
Okay, now let me this one.
Scared. That was the best one.
Man.
I was wondering what that was.
That was the best one for